Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is the one item that I kind of saved out of the group of items that Jeff brought me this time, because I think this one is special. And it really threw me for a loop. I thought I was going insane because, and I'll just give you the little story first and then we'll go over it, is when I opened it, and I looked at the inside. This is a record player. And looked at the controls. I said, I've already done a video on this. So I looked through my recent videos. I couldn't find it. I was like, this is insane. I know these controls. Well, finally, after a couple hours, it dawned on me. I had done a video of a recent Victrola duplicate that is in a red case. And what did I do with it? It's around here someplace. Anyway, and the innards are exactly this. Exactly. Slightly different shape because it's square. It's not rounded like this. But the turntable, the tone arm, the controls are identical to that radio. So I thought, okay, now I know I haven't done it. So now I'm going to do this one. And it turns out I don't have a crib sheet from Jeff on this. I don't know if he didn't give me one or I lost it. Turns out this is available today, brand new from Amazon. You can get this from Amazon for $120 today. Now I'm going to tell you about it. Okay, it's got leather, what appears to be leather. It has wood. It looks really nice, and it's made to look like an old antique record player. Got a handle, got a nice lock on it. These straps snap down. 2 speakers. And it's a flat on the bottom, so you can stand it up and make, so it doesn't take up as much room if you're not using it, or you can stand it up to transport it. Now, let's look inside. So it's got the turntable. It's got the adapter for 45s. It will play 33, 45, and 78 speed records. It has, this is a tone arm. It's got a little clip right here. Let me see if I can move in a little closer. There we go. To hold it down when you're not using it. So you just flip that over out of the way. Has a lever here for raising and lowering the tone arm. When you lower it, it's damped, so it goes down slowly and doesn't fall down on your record. Over here, we have the controls for power, on and off, and volume. Here's a headphones jack. Back here, we have a line input jack. And let me stand up. Oh, we have the line in control for line in, Bluetooth, and phono to play the phono. So you can use a Bluetooth like your cell phone and use the speaker amplifier in this thing to play your music from your phone, for instance. Like I said, this is the line input jack. On the back, it has, and I'm going to show you the back. It's too much to turn around. It's too bulky. It has 2 RCA jacks for line out. So if you want to hook it to some bigger speakers. It has a USB input. Now, the one that's on Amazon, is identical to this, says it has a USB input. And it comes with some software, I don't know whether to put on your PC or your phone, probably your PC, to transfer your records to your PC. So if you got vinyl records you want to save onto a PC in like MP3 format, you can do that. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's AC only. It has a tiny little power pack. It's right there, wall wart. And this is, of course, is my AC cord here. So this is the wall wart right here. It's amazing. So let's try it. I've got a vinyl record right here. So we'll put that on there. We'll turn it on. And we should be in phono mode. Now, the platter doesn't rotate until you move the arm over there by it. So we got it unlatched. We'll use this lever here. It's got an adjustment for balance. Oh, and it's also got, let me stand up again. Here is the speed select, 33, 45, 78. And this is an auto stop on and off, so that when the record gets to the center, it brings the arm back and shuts it off, I believe. I haven't tried that yet. Now, I just noticed something else that is a little confusing, is that the two screws in the back are screwed out. And there's one screw in the front that is missing. And this one is halfway out. So apparently either Jeff or somebody has been into this thing. I'm going to, let me see, make sure there's one there. I want to make sure that that's not hitting the platter. It's close. So, where's the center? Oh, over here. Just trying to see. I think it just barely clears, but I'm going to put those screws back in later. I just now noticed it when I stood up. Okay, so we take the lever and we raise the tone arm, whatever we call it, and then still the platter's not moving. Then we slide it over and you can see now it's moving. So we line it up with the record. We release it, it goes down, it's damped very slowly. And then we can turn the volume up. Pretty good. Now, of course, and then I can lift the lever up, the arm up, and I can slide it back over, and it will shut off the turntable. It works great. And like I said before, you can use a line in. So like if you got a line out from your shortwave radio, you can plug it in here, use the amplifier and speakers in here, or add external speakers. Now I can put this down. Oops. Get it lined up here. Whoop. Up. And then put the clip on it so it doesn't move. Take your record off and close it up. Turn it off, of course, turn it off. And there's a big, bright power light. Turn it off, close it up, disconnect. Excuse me, hold on. Early in the morning, my throat has to clear. The one thing it doesn't have is it doesn't have a storage space for the AC adapter. Now, the AC adapter cord plugs in and unplugs, but I don't see any storage space. Maybe I missed it. I don't see it. So initially, when I opened it up, it was laying here. Probably not a great idea. But you don't want to lose it. So maybe I would suggest to Jeff that he put it in like a bag or something so it doesn't bump up against things. Anyway, that's it. And this one says it's sold by Innovative Technology. The one that's on Amazon now, exactly the same. I'm going to look back here what it's called. It's sold under the name Clear Click. And it's on Amazon. It's $120. Normal price. I'm sure it goes on sale sometimes. This is really unique. It was really messing with my mind that I had done a video on this, and I actually hadn't done a video. I did a video on another one that was square or rectangular in a red case. Oh, it's about 2 months ago I did that. And the guts here, this part, is identical. This one is round and that one is square or rectangular. That's it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. This is the last of the group that he brought me last time. So Jeff, I'm ready for another set. And I want to thank you all for watching. And if you have any comments, please leave a comment. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.